Welcome back to the skid factory. Today I'm down at a local impound yard, local towing joint, to check out some cars here. A couple of gems around. All these vehicles here have been impounded by the police, council or main roads. Some of them have been involved in an accident. Some of them have keys, many of them don't. They've all been checked for encumbrance, so there's no money owing on them. Somehow this towing yard ends up owning them and they do an auction to sell them on. I don't have any intention to buy any cars here today. I'm purely just checking them out, although I may make a stupid life decision later on. There is a couple of gems within the lot, and there is a whole lot of people here checking them out too. So I'm just here. I've never been to one of these events before, so I'm just here to check it out myself and have a squiz and see what's around. Let's check out this one. This paint job wouldn't have been cheap either. Look at this. Yeah, God damn. Something's going on. Someone's been living in this car by the looks of things. They haven't claimed their belongings. Oh, what's on the DVD? Oh, there's some CDs in the console too, look at that. Jeez, if it were a Hemi it might be worth it, but it's only a V6. ZD30. I think most of these cars here people are going to be looking at just for the engines. I don't know about, like, some of these are just absolute, like this thing's been rolled, it's absolutely trashed, but 4M40, that could repower someone's aquatic vehicle one day, you never know. Mitsubishi Triton. Jeez, this thing's been living underwater somewhere. Holy, that's a lot of sand. Gosh, hectic.
Holy.
Do you reckon that'll buff out or what?
Mate, that's coming.
Is that going to buff?
That's coming home with me.
What about this one? Bit of spit shine, bit of elbow grease.
Dude.
What are you guys here to buy?
The most wrecked piece of garbage ever.
That transit van.
Oh, you could live in that, mate.
No, dude, I'm living in that. Look at that thing.
What thing? Oh, look at the bus.
That just needs a wash.
Timing chains. What is this? Look at that radiator repair.
It's straight from.
Oh, no way. Jeez Louise. There's definitely some gems hiding in the back here.
Been over the front yet.
V6 Vitara, that just needs a good wash. Volvo. Oh, it's one of those 5-cylinder front wheel drive things. God damn. Any turbos back there? No. Pintara. Look at that. It's like natural mold growing on the side of it. CA20E. Gotta love that. Twin Spark. Jeez. Oh, another gem. Challenger at the back here. That is a mighty fine vehicle just here.
What's that, mate?
That'll keep going. Runs. I don't know what I don't know what all the stuff on the side of them means. It's got keys. It stinks. There's someone living in the back of there too. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what's going on with some of these cars and why they end up. Do they just end up on the side of the street? Parked outside someone's house and left. Another Challenger. Geez, I tell you what, if you want a rally basher, Challengers is what you want. One of the popular ones. Could probably guess that it's a... Oh, it does say on the windscreen, police impound. Someone's been up to mischief in this thing. Got the rims. Reality is, it's not a bad car, really. And these things are, you know, this is the kind of thing you used to buy for 2-3 grand just for the engine, but now these days, getting up in price. Something you don't really see, I don't see every day anyway. Astra Turbo. This would be one of those things where you'd be like a enthusiast car only. I don't know. Astras don't really do it for me, to be honest, but FG XR8. See, this will be a hot ticket for sure. No keys. Manual. Nice. 290. Geez, that's such a massive engine. Absolutely huge. That's why no one uses them for any conversions, because you can't fit them in anything. This thing had, keyword had 271 kilowatts, but not anymore. Seems to be Quite a fair few spare parts in the back here. Bit of barra. There's just junk everywhere. God damn. Oh, the bonnet's ratchet strapped down on this one. What is in it? I can't see. Oh, it's just an Ecotech. Not a bad little ute. Kind of clean. This gem here too, VN Executive. This says low standards all over. Look at that. Look at that Buick. God dang. That is mighty fine. It looks pretty clean in there actually too. This thing's got halfway through a respray and then decided to give up. I don't know what the go is there. That's not very, like that looks terrible.
Oh, and shark.
You dropped your slippers there, mate.
Oh.
Yes.
I'm in Nambour now. I need to blend in.
Oh, that's got to be 20 bucks just there. What do you reckon?
Punch.
Jeez.
Punch it.
Auto. This thing's been definitely binned pretty hard. That's pretty crazy. Vicky 35 though. Mighty fine engine. Doesn't go too bad with a turbo too. Alright, found a nice Fairlane. Actually tricked ya. It's a ute. Single cam. Intech. I think this thing is a police impound maybe. I get a guess. You never know, but looks, it's a bit of a bitzer. Manual. There is a bit going on though. Well, I don't know. A lot of these cars will probably just be, oh, another old VS ute. Runs. There's quite a bit of this hanging around too. Prado 3-litre turbo diesel. It says runs and drives on the windscreen. Manual, got keys. Still got a lot of owner positions in the car. It looks like it's been stashed in a dam or something because it's just like mud and crap everywhere here. So I don't know, it's one of those really risk-taking kind of cars if you would buy something like that. This one comes with a bunch of free Modi tyres. So when you buy this thing, it's actually going to cost you 80 bucks in just tyre disposal. So that's a downside. Another Hilux turbo diesel. I reckon a lot of these cars will end up being purchased by wreckers and stuff like that just so they can sell the engines on. So something like that, geez, what's that worth? 5 grand these days, an engine? So get the car, wreck it, strip it on. One of those cars where you see it's online and it's got to be too good to be true, and this thing is, it looked good in the photos and then you actually come around and have a look at it and it's absolutely trashed. Like, windows have been down, there's mold growing inside. Someone said KFC. Look at this thing, absolutely filthy, filthy as. LX470, the ugly duckling of the cruisers. 2UZ V8. Not bad cars really. Like I would own one of these, but definitely not this one. Absolutely trashed. I saw some crew hanging around this thing. You walk straight past it because it's absolutely as flat as a pancake, but it's got a bloody Miami. It's FG XR8, so blown. Would be a good one to purchase really, but I don't know. That's all you're getting out of it is the engine. Is it even, Cat, do you know if it's manual or not? is there a clutch master cylinder there? Yeah, auto, yeah, there you go. ZS6. Definitely worth some money in the engine there. Someone's going to be paying for this thing for sure. Might need a new work car. NP300. It actually looks quite clean, so you don't know what the story is with these cars. Don't know what's been flooded. Doesn't look like it's had any water damage though. Definitely a dog owner. Doesn't look too bad. This thing comes with some mint subwoofers. Quite a fair few BMWs getting around. I've already inspected for turbos, but there's a 120D over there. No one wants a diesel. We want the N54. All right, one of the last things to come to do is check out the bikes. A couple of Jess, I can see you on this thing for sure, 100%. You can Fireblades, Ninjas, a couple of Japanese Harleys. There's a CRF 450 over there, which looks pretty new. GSXRs. I don't know, half of these bikes, they look like they've been stashed in the bottom of the ocean, just rusty, been sitting for a long time. Is there a 690 or something there? Yeah, look like this thing's just been crashed and trashed. No thanks. Yeah, CRF 450, that might be a good one. But who knows why it's here, so Don't know what year this thing is. It's pretty new. Got to be late model. GSXR again, CBR. Yeah, nice. Couple of gems. Let's buy one of these and then put the engine in one of these at the back here. Bit of scooter time. Hell yeah. So as expected, anything that is worth money is selling for quite a fair bit. There's a lot of guys here that know what they're looking at and what the resale on most of this stuff is, so they're placing the big bids on these items. Some of the stuff is selling for like a couple of bucks. There's trailers over there, there's bikes and stuff, like people have thrown up their hands at 50 cents a dollar. Some guy bought a boat for $1, literally $1. It's a piece of crap, but who knows what he's going to do with it. He could flip it on Marketplace, he could fix it, who knows. So anything that is worth of value is selling for quite a lot of money. So that's as expected. At the moment, scrap prices are quite down, so maybe people are buying cars to sell on in the future for scrap. Who knows what's going on, but I reckon a lot of these cars will probably end up getting fixed and rebirthed. So thanks for joining us, thanks for hanging out. Cool to check out some cars here and see what's going on and see what people have been crashing and getting impounded and seeing what stuff's selling for. So yeah, thanks for joining us. It's cool. Cool little Saturday morning venture. We'll see you next time on the Skid Factory. Cheers, homies. Tell me you work in the mines without telling me you work in the mines. Old mate selling his broken turbo. It says new turbo, but it's definitely not new. It's been replaced for something else. 200 bucks, give old mate a call.